Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter this product installation has been corrupted error, then watch this video for the solution. Now the only fix for this is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft 365. So you need to right click on the start button, go to settings and then click on apps, click on installed apps, and here we will search for the Microsoft 365 file, and we need to click on the three buttons here and then go to uninstall, click on uninstall again, and then we will reinstall Microsoft 365 from the Windows Store. I can look for 365 and you can see Microsoft 365 Office app, and then click on get. I have not uninstalled, so it shows open, but you click on get and it should download automatically, and this error should no longer show. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.